She just let me know what it shows. Before I get started, I just want to say these are the best contact lenses for women of color, okay? They look natural. I was sent over these contact lenses by JUST4KIRA. I'm showing you all the colors that I chose and the cute packaging. They do have like a wide range of colors, but these are the ones that I chose. So they send it to you in these cute little packs, and on the side they give you contact cases so you can, you know, organize all your contacts. And it comes with little cute tweezers and a little suction cup. Oh my god. And then the little packaging that it comes in, it has the contact water in it. So what I did is I just put in the contact water into the organizing cases. The colors that I chose honestly complemented my skin tone really, really well. If you're a woman of color, get these, okay? Alright guys, so I'm gonna model all these contacts for you guys, and honestly I'm gonna come on the camera every time I try the contacts on, but I'm gonna show you how I put on one of them, because every time it gets to my right eye I start bugging. So all the details will be in my description box below, and I also have a 20% off code, so get on that right now if you want these eyeballs. I'll show you how I put on these contacts, because I be struggling, because I'm not an expert. I'm not a contact expert. Pull it down, and I use this little tool. Don't be scared. It takes me a minute, like a good ass minute. You blink. And there it is. But let me just tell you, these contacts is top quality. You could catfish anybody. And they honestly, they look like your real eyes. Like, they don't look like the bulging contacts from like the 99-cent store. She just let me know, but it sure no fit. It ain't safe round here, but she's still gonna hold on. It ain't safe round here, but she doesn't run from right here. Lust, guns, drugs, violence. Lust, guns, drugs, violence. Ooh, oh, won't let you go. Yeah, I was covering my mustache, aka my bigote that I know y'all saw earlier. Okay, but that's why I get off camera and shave it after this one. About this I also forgot to mention these contacts were really easy to put on, and they were soft. They weren't like those hard contacts. And also keep in mind my eyes are brown, so they make the contacts look this color. Guys, this is the end of the video. If you stay to the end, thank you so much for watching. Let me know down below which one is your favorite style. They all bomb, they all fire. Just get ready to catfish anybody when you go outside, okay? Anyways, thank you for watching and thank you for subscribing. I'm gonna have a special for my 1.5K subscribers. Just be on the lookout. Thank you. Stay tuned for my next video.
She just let